Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Discover a new way to experience art with the Famer FR250. This innovative technology combines art and technology to elevate gallery experiences. With advanced displays and interactive features, FR250 enhances your connection with the artist's vision. From digital exhibits to immersive installations, it transforms how you engage with art. As galleries evolve into dynamic platforms for expression, Famer FR250 takes the spotlight, amplifying the impact of each masterpiece and shaping the future of art appreciation. Delve into the intricate world of water treatment, an indispensable process that plays a pivotal role in enhancing the quality of our water supply. This crucial operation seamlessly combines precision and efficiency to effectively eliminate impurities, ensuring a safe and clean water source. From municipal treatment facilities to industrial plants, we gain insight into the intricate techniques and advanced technologies that drive this essential process. This exploration of water treatment not only enhances the well-being of our communities, but also fosters a sustainable and eco-conscious future. Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective on this game-changing technology. Immerse yourself in the process of loading straw bales with the JCB 541. This efficient machine simplifies work by combining precision and productivity. Its state-of-the-art features and professional engineering allow for seamless straw bale loading, meeting a variety of agricultural and storage needs. Whether you're working on a farm or managing a storage facility, the JCB 541 significantly improves operational efficiency while ensuring an uninterrupted supply of critical inputs. Delve into the world of excavator assembly with the Bucyrus 495BI. This intricate process harmonizes precision and power to construct these massive machines, where innovation and expertise converge to produce the essential excavators that drive various industrial applications. Advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology ensure seamless assembly, transforming components into formidable excavators. From manufacturing plants to construction sites, the Bucyrus 495BI plays a pivotal role in enhancing operational efficiency and ensuring the availability of essential resources. Experience the art of harvesting with the DUTZ-FAR C9206, a modern marvel in crop collection technology. As it maneuvers through fields, this machine effortlessly melds cutting-edge innovation with time-tested agricultural methods. Efficiently reaping and threshing crops guarantees bountiful yields to sustain communities. From the vast expanses of golden fields to the storage in granaries, witness how the DUTZ-FAR C9206 plays a pivotal role in supporting the intricate web of our global food chain, nourishing nations and propelling progress. Stay tuned for more insights into cutting-edge machinery and its profound impact across diverse industries. Explore the world of silage harvesting with the Chrome Big X Illerberg. This cutting-edge machine redefines the efficiency and precision of silage collection. With advanced technology and expert engineering, it ensures the seamless harvesting of silage in various agricultural conditions. From lush green fields to dairy farms, the Chrome Big X Illerberg plays a pivotal role in advancing agricultural practices and ensuring a steady supply of nutritious silage for livestock. Witness how this innovative technology enhances the process of silage harvesting and contributes to the success of modern farming. Take a closer look at the possibilities of tire recycling with the H-250 hybrid shredder. This state-of-the-art machine converts used tires into valuable materials by seamlessly combining precision and efficiency. Thanks to the state-of-the-art technology and experienced engineers, it ensures smooth tire recycling, reduces waste, and contributes to sustainable development. From recycling facilities to environmental initiatives, the H-250 hybrid shredder plays a critical role in tire recycling. Explore the realm of heavy machinery transportation with the Panther Series 280-130. This state-of-the-art transport system revolutionizes the way heavy equipment is moved, seamlessly blending precision and power. Equipped with advanced technology and expert engineering, it guarantees the secure and efficient transportation of colossal machinery. With its construction sites, industrial facilities, or large-scale projects, the Panther Series 280-130 stands as the cornerstone of logistics for heavy equipment, ensuring the seamless flow of operations and productivity across various industries. Discover the world of efficient manure spreading with the bunning spreader, paired with the John Deere 6125R. This dynamic combination redefines precision and productivity in agricultural operations. The innovative design of the bunning spreader, alongside the powerful performance of the John Deere 6125R, creates a seamless process for distributing essential nutrients to fields. From farms to rural landscapes, this pairing plays a pivotal role in enhancing soil fertility and boosting crop yields, contributing to sustainable and productive agriculture. Delve into the meticulous art of sod harvesting with the Turf Tick 3500 at the forefront. This essential process involves the careful removal of grass and soil, primarily used for landscaping and turfing projects. The Turf Tick 3500 streamlines this once labor-intensive task with precision and efficiency. By delicately handling sod and optimizing the harvesting process, modern techniques ensure minimal waste and a more sustainable approach to landscaping. Are you involved in agriculture in any way? Write in the comments below the video. Explore the exceptional capabilities of the Mulcher EM15 in the field of forest clearing. This powerful machine excels at efficiently and precisely clearing wooded areas, rejuvenating landscapes, and preserving the delicate balance of nature's ecosystem. Through its calculated maneuvers, observe how it transforms dense forests into open spaces, creating new opportunities. The Mulcher EM15 sets new standards in sustainable land management practices, seamlessly combining technology with environmental preservation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with the latest agricultural innovations. Dive into the world of wire winding with the Robot Derolmatic PX. This advanced machine redefines the winding process, blending precision and efficiency seamlessly. With state-of-the-art technology and expert engineering, it ensures the smooth and efficient winding of wire in various applications. From construction sites to industrial facilities, the Robot Derolmatic PX plays a pivotal role in enhancing wire-related operations. This innovation simplifies wire winding and contributes to the overall productivity and reliability of wire-based systems, supporting various industries worldwide. Are you involved in agriculture in any way? Write in the comments below the video. It'll be interesting to read. Immerse yourself in efficient wood loading processes where precision and productivity redefine wood handling. This critical operation optimizes forestry operations and supply chains by seamlessly loading and transporting wood for a variety of applications. From the forest of the lumber yard, this process handles wood of various sizes and contributes to sustainable resource management, playing a crucial role in the growth of the forest industry. Have you witnessed wood loading in action? Share your observations below and contribute to the discussion on improving logging operations. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!